Want to replace your washing machine's drain hose? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What you need: pliers and a new drain hose. Step 1. Remove the old drain hose. The drain hose is at the back of the appliance. Some washing machines require the drain hose to be disconnected from the inside, in which case the top must be removed first. Carefully squeeze the locking ring loose with pliers and remove the hose. Step 2. Insert the new drain hose. Pass the new drain hose through the locking ring again and reattach the drain hose to the appliance. Attach the clamping ring in its correct place. You have replaced the drain hose and the washing machine is ready to use again.